Welcome to our deep dive into the safest levels in the Backrooms. Endless hallways of yellowed wallpaper, the unsettling hum of fluorescent lights, and the ever-present threat of entities lurking around every corner. But what if I told you that not all levels are created equal? That within this hellscape of existential dread there are pockets of safety? That's right, theorists. Today we're diving into the Backroom's safest levels. Level 0. The entry point for so many unfortunate souls. You know the story, you're walking along minding your own business, when suddenly, snap, you clip through reality and find yourself in a place that feels eerily familiar, yet utterly wrong. The good news, level 0, while unsettling, is considered one of the safer levels. It's like the Backroom's twisted tutorial level. The entities here are scarce, and the layout, while disorienting, is relatively simple. You'll mostly find vast, empty rooms with that signature yellow wallpaper and the occasional flickering light. But don't let the simplicity fool you, theorists. Level 0 is still a place of danger. The key to surviving level 0? Stay calm. Find a landmark to help you orient yourself, and most importantly, don't lose hope. There are ways out of here, and we'll be exploring those in other videos. Welcome to Level 4, the abandoned office. Imagine a call center where everyone just disappeared. A maze of cubicles, desks piled with paperwork, and the hum of computers. Despite its eerie vibe, it's surprisingly safe. Entities are rare here, offices are full of useful stuff, desks to barricade, chairs to throw, and maybe a vending machine. The real danger, getting lost in the endless cubicles. The monotony can be mind-numbing. Okay, theorists, let's talk about something a little more appetizing. Introducing Level 6.1, affectionately known as the snack rooms. Imagine walking into a never-ending supermarket, aisles overflowing with every snack imaginable. Chips, candy, soda, you name it, it's here. And the best part, it's all free. Well, free in the sense that you're already trapped in a dimension of endless suffering, so what's a little shoplifting between friends, right? But here's why Level 6.1 is considered safe. The abundance of food seems to have a calming effect on the entities. Some even speculate that the entities here are drawn to the positive emotions associated with food. But don't let your guard down completely. The snack rooms, while tempting, can be a trap. It's easy to get comfortable, to lose track of time indulging in endless junk food. But remember, this is still the back rooms, and complacency can be deadly. Chapter 4, Level 11. The Endless City. From the cozy confines of the snack rooms, let's journey to a level of vastness and solitude. Level 11, also known as the Endless City. Picture this. You emerge from a flickering doorway into what seems like a bustling metropolis. Towering skyscrapers pierce the sky. Streets stretch out in a gridlock of concrete and steel, and the air hums with the faint echo of what was once a thriving civilization. But something's off. The streets are empty, the buildings are dark. Now you might be thinking, an empty city? That doesn't sound very safe, but hear me out. The vastness of Level 11 is its greatest defense. The entity count here is relatively low, and the sprawling cityscape provides ample opportunities for hiding, scavenging for resources, and most importantly, avoiding unwanted encounters. The real danger of Level 11? The crushing loneliness, wandering these desolate streets surrounded by the ghosts of a civilization that no longer exists, can take a toll on your mental state. Chapter 5, Level 974. Kitty's House. Welcome to the most adorable level in the Backrooms, Level 974, also known as Kitty's House. Imagine finding a doorway framed by colorful blocks. You're greeted by the scent of cookies and children's laughter. A child's playroom with a cozy fireplace and storybooks. In the corner, a giant purring cat named Kitty. Kitty is a guardian watching over this haven. Level 974 is a place of healing, but remember, the back rooms are never far away. Chapter 6, Level 63, The Clouds. Finally, we ascend to a level of pure tranquility, Level 63, also known as The Clouds. Imagine stepping out onto a platform of shimmering clouds, the air around you filled with the soft glow of an endless sunrise. Beneath your feet, a sea of fluffy white stretches out as far as the eye can see, dotted with floating islands and cascading waterfalls of pure white light. Level 63 is a place of peace, a realm where the horrors of the backrooms seem like a distant nightmare. The air is clean and crisp, the silence broken only by the gentle whisper of the wind and the distant sound of what sounds like angelic chanting. We'll leave that one for another theory. This level is almost entirely devoid of entities, but a word of caution, theorists, even in paradise you can't let your guard down completely. The backrooms are full of surprises, and what seems like a safe haven can quickly turn into a nightmare. So there you have it, theorists. A glimpse into some of the safest levels the Backrooms has to offer. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more content on the Backrooms and other mysterious places. But before you go, I want to hear from you. Have you ever had an experience in the Backrooms? What level do you think is the safest? Let me know in the comments below, and let's keep the discussion going.